Assalamu alaikum all, welcome back to our channel. So today our topic is how to install Visual Studio Code. So first of all you have to open your Google Chrome or any browser you want to use. So search here for Visual Studio Code. Search it. Now you will see the first link of Visual Studio Code. So click on it. After that you will go to the official Visual Studio Code page. Now you will see that there is a link for download for Windows. If you want to download, if you download for Mac or Linux, you will click on other platforms. Now you will see that there is an option for Windows, Linux, and Mac. So I want to download for Windows. Click on Windows, and you will see that the downloading will start. So this is our video. So if you like our video, share it with your friends. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.